Welcome to my Fakeaway series, where I'm going to teach you how to cook your favourite takeaways at home. This time, we're cooking this banging crispy chili beef, and don't worry, the full recipe and method are down in the caption. We're going to use this piece of sirloin steak, which I'm going to slice really thinly. 5 minutes in the freezer can also make this job a lot easier. Throw this into a bowl along with an egg, some corn flour, then stir well to coat. Make sure to knock off any excess flour, then into your air fryer, set at 210 for 10 minutes, shaking halfway through. Now for the sauce. Stir fry onion, peppers and garlic for a couple of minutes. Then add tomato ketchup, some spicy sweet chili sauce, soy for saltiness and rice vinegar for acidity. Then cook for a couple of minutes. I also like to add sugar to taste for that authentic takeaway feel. Throw in the crispy beef, then toss well to make sure you get a good coating of that sticky glaze. Scatter in as much chili as you can handle. I like to serve mine up with a portion of rice. Let me know your favourite takeaway in the comments. Absolutely banging.